or network engineers who work on MikroTik RouterOS in order to show them that there is a way which makes their life much easier is using the network automation with the programming language which is Python. So what does it mean? Think like if you have a network where you have plenty of routers and you have to do the same task on all of those routers. So instead of going to each of the router and configuring them one by one, which is wasting of time, we can use Python to make a script, and then all the configuration will be sent to all the routers. But not only that, in case you want also to make the configuration, so for example, router 1 has something as a configuration, router 2 has another thing, router 3 has another thing, so one we configure the SPF, one we configure for it firewall rules, one we configure for it MPLS. So that's also possible using the Python scripts. You write the script and then you make the connection to the routers from Python, and then all the configuration will be sent to those routers without you really have to go to the routers one by one and configure them. So in this course, I'm not really going to explain to you everything about Python. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the part which is important for the network automation from the Python, and then I'm going to show it to you, and then to show you at the end that you are able to connect to the routers from Python, and then to make the scripts to be able to get what you want as a result. So that's something I'm going to show you in this course. I'm going to show you how you can install Python on your computer and how you can start writing a simple script, and then how you can make this to go much bigger and bigger to be able at the end to make the result, which is sending the configuration from your script to the MikroTik RouterOS. So that's really the main goal of this course. We're not going to speak about Python in details because Python is very big course, and if you follow the course, sometimes as us network engineers, which most of the time we don't have background in programming, so that's really boring to watch a course for just programming. So what I'm going to do, I'm just making what we need to take from Python to be able to make the network automation. So that's what we are going to do in this course. Now, a brief idea about myself. I work as a trainer. I have more than 15 years experience in training, and I do have a lot of online courses, mainly focusing on MikroTik, but also I have courses from other brands like Cisco, like Huawei, like Ubiquiti, and like Wave. This course has 30 days money back guarantee. So once you register in the course, and in case you don't like it, which I hope not, but just in case you don't like it and you are still within the first 30 days from the date that you have purchased the course, then you can request for your money back and you will get them without any question. So if you want to know how to do network programmability using Python on MikroTik RouterOS, and then to have a much better way to configure your routers on your network, so I advise you to take this course and let me help you to reach to your goal.